My name is Sternsdorf. I'm a web developer for a company called Innovare Group. I'm not really presenting a site for its advances in functionality with the user experience, but more based around the actual usability for the people who are administering it. We found that quite often our clients have trouble being able to use their websites. They can't. They find it difficult to put up content or putting up photos, etc. So we worked on this website to make it extremely easy for them to be able to keep it up to date and, you know, not be worried about calling us all the time with their support questions. So the first example I'd like to show you about it is their newsletters side of things. They don't run a newsletter component like JNews or AC Mailing or anything, but instead we've used a plugin it's simply called Attachments. You can find it on the JED. Just look up Attachments, and all it does is integrates into the front end of their website. They can log in to the front end of their website and click a button to add their current newsletter, and they can take the current newsletter and archive it down here just by simply logging in, pressing a couple of buttons. So there's no need for them to log into the back end and be kind of a bit confounded by this abstract layer that doesn't really interact with the front end so well. The other thing that we've worked on, which isn't actually displayed in this site, but is actually using a component called User Article Manager and Articles Anywhere. Both of these are once again available on the JED. These allow for things like when you have a module in place. Say for example, this here was a module written as custom HTML. In order to edit it, they once again have to go into the back end, go to the module manager and access that module. And once again, I've said these people aren't very computer literate, so something like that it becomes confusing because they're using an article manager, they're using a module manager. So instead we use Articles Anywhere, create the article, and then load that article into the module position so that we've got freedom to put that article in any position. And once again, it's a matter of them logging into the front end with a where we would list any of the articles in a category list, and they can just click on that article and it will edit the article for them from the front end. So yeah, I just wanted to show a portfolio of that site and how we were working with making things simple for your average user. Thank you.